Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and one more time I have a modern sofa design for you. A few days back I've shown you a different design, a similar design, and this one is the same concept, same design, same curves, but this one is 3-2-2 with a table, a big table. I'll show you a little later, and the color is metallic gold this time and not that multicolor that I've shown you earlier. This is the modern style of sofa where we have very less carving design. If you see, we have a little on the top, a little on the lower part, and then a design that is running on the entire curvaceous area. And this is the only carving we have. Generally, we have very heavy designs with the crown part at the back and the wing type, but this is a simpler design, very close to the modern or French furniture theme. The three-seater here is 7.5 feet left to right. Our regular sofas are 6.5 feet, and 1 feet is extra because we see curves here that takes more space. And with the design like this, you get a very different design from what you really normally see in local showrooms or different places. And similarly, a self-designed fabric as selected by the client. The two-seater we have here is 6.5 feet out and out. Again, bigger than regular size. The back height is 40 inches, front to back 32 inches. I'll sit on one, I'll show you. When I'm sitting here, quite comfortable. You can see my knees are right to the edge and that gives complete support. I'm sitting with my legs grounded, properly grounded, and this is the optimum or proper position, resting position, comfortable position when you sit on a sofa. Here you can be very relaxed, quite relaxed. You can keep a puffy, you can keep a cushion at the back if you want, and you can be really comfortable. Made in Teakwood by local artisans. The entire work is hand carved, done by local artisans, master artisans, and in solid teak wood. Size, design, color, number of seats. You want a single seater, you want a bigger unit along with this, you want some other design, you want to keep a puffy in front, side table, center table. All these things are as per your choice. And this is the table, center table that the client have selected in oval shape, 5 feet by 3 feet wide, hard top, plain top, and again it can be customized. You want to keep a marble, we can provide the table accordingly. Granite, glass, you want carving on the top, let us know what you want. We'll make it according to your requirement. You can compare it with the other set we have and you can see different design of table and side tables, fabric as per what the client required, what they liked. So select it as per your choice. Let us know what you want and we will make that piece, that set, and will deliver to your place in India or out of India. 55 countries we are already delivering to. Aarsunwoods.com. This is the website. You will find thousands of items, sofas, dinings, bed, swings, jula, partition screens, temples, everything made to order at factory price. We are making here, delivering to your home directly. No commission agent, no trader, no one in the middle to take extra money in the middle. So you are getting the best price, best quality, brand of Aarsun, the quality of Aarsun, and most importantly, what you like. You want a different fabric, you want a different color, let us know, we'll do it. This is in teak wood, metallic gold paint. If there is a different choice as per your theme, your wall colors, wallpapers, your design, your carpet, you match it, let us know, and we'll be happy to make it according to your choice with global delivery. Let us know what you want. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.